said we are going with joins. Okay. So why we need joins? Okay. So department, I can maintain all the department data in the same table. So both employee and department details can be maintained in same table. Okay. So department number 20 means it's like a research Dallas. There are different departments and it is having different values, right? So instead of 10, D name and D location. Why can't I maintain another two columns here? After the commission, I can have a D name and D location. Okay. And then instead of 10 and 20, I can remove this column, department number column, and I can maintain D name and D location next to the commission. But there is a problem, right? What is the issue you see here? So what will happen if you maintain D name and D location in the employee table? So what will happen? Why there is a department table is separated out?
Because it will be all redundant data.
Yeah, so there are if you can keep same department name and location, you can have same in employee table, but same data is will be repeated. Okay, so how 10 is there three times, so accounting and New York will be repeated three times. 20 is there five times, it will be repeated. So it's like a redundant and it will occupy more memory. So if I have a 1 million records and we have only four departments, there is no point on repeating same values for 1 million times. It is going to occupy GBs of memory, and you will be ended up with paying a lot of money for the service provider, right? So for that purpose, they have come up with solution called normalization. Okay, normalization means removing the duplicates from the base table, just create a one ID, which is a department number in this case. So, and define the meanings of department numbers in another table. That's called normalization. Okay. So, generally, there are multiple types of normalization. I will touch upon when we teach, when I go for the data warehouse concepts. Okay. Yeah, so to reduce the redundancy, to reduce the repeated data, so it will optimize the memory and cost. Okay. How to write joins? Okay. It's a simple concept. It's the same syntax everywhere in any database. Okay. Select. No. You have to bear with me. They are behaving little weird today. Well, it is very faster. Today, I don't know why. Restarted multiple times, still it is doing same thing. But let's see. Okay, let me not responding. Huh?
I can share my screen if you want.
Yeah, please. Yeah, maybe. I don't know why.
Okay.
Yeah, mine is not responding. Yeah. I will tell you. Maybe you can write the query.
Sure.
Yeah. I think just typing, see if it is responding in mine. Okay, it is responding now. As soon as I stopped the sharing, it is responding. Uh, okay, let me take up mine.
Okay. I'll stop.
Sweta.
I'll stop
Yeah,
sharing.
if I face same issue again, then we'll do it in yours.
Okay.
Okay, so select E dot star comma. So E means I'm going to assign E means employee. D is going to be department table. Okay, I'm going to take the aliases. Okay, from EMP table E. I have taken employee table name as E. Okay, join. I need to join, right? So there are four types of joins. Inner join, which is a common record from both the table. So inner join. Okay, inner join. So inner join on which table you want to do? DEPT. Inner join department table. I will take it alias as a D. Inner join department table D. And okay, on what column basis you want to join? E dot DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. Because these are the common columns, right? Between employee table and department table, what are the common keys? Department numbers. Okay, department number is the common key. So this is how the syntax would be. E means employee table. E dot star means all the columns from employee table. D dot star means all the columns from department table. So here I'm taking alias as a EMP, as a E, department as a D. So syntax will be same. You simply have to just replace your table names while you are doing inner join. Okay. So instead of star, you can take the required columns. You want just a few columns, you can take it. So instead of taking star, you can take all the columns also. See? So whenever you need, you simply join and bring your department name and location. If you don't it, then that means you are saving lot of memory. Let's try same thing. For example, select emp e dot emp number. This is how you can pick the columns like this also. E name comma e dot dept number and then d dot d name comma d dot location from emp as e inner join dept d on e dot emp number equal to d dot dept number. So I'm just picking selective columns. That's it. That's the only difference between here there must be some spelling mistake. What is that? Okay. D dot D name. D dot.
DEPT number is also spelled wrong.
Uh, where is that?
First line, first
D.
line.
Oh, okay. Let me control C. Connect D dot D number. D dot location. Okay.
And join condition is wrong.
Inner join DPT on E dot. Okay. E dot emp. See, yeah.
Yeah.
If you take wrong columns, then there won't be any data.
Yeah.
Data would not be returned, right? So here, because column name is wrong, DPT number equal to D dot DPT number. Okay, see, this is how you should be doing. Okay, so inner join means basically it's a common record. So let me take only these IDs and then we can do it. I'll show example in Notepad how it works with inner join, left outer. So there are four types of join, basically inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and then full outer join. Okay, four types. So inner join means common records between both the tables. Okay. Left outer join means all the records. So left outer join basically would return all the records from left table. If there is a match from the right table, it will it will bring it. Otherwise, it would not. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. So let's assume this is a left table, and this is going to be our right table. Okay. So we have a. Yeah, don't worry about the order. So in department table, we have a 40 also. Okay. So this is our left table. Okay. In this case. Okay. This is our right table. Okay. This is a EMP table. Left table is nothing but EMP data. Right table is nothing but department data. Okay. So here, if you look at, so inner join. So what are the common records between both the tables? When I'm doing inner join, I'm getting 14 records. Okay. So see, there are only 10, 20, and 30 in my employee table. So if you do inner join, I said common records. So 10 is a common record, but it is a repeated records. No problem. If it is a repeated records, then duplicates will come. No issue. So 10 is common record, 20 is common record, 30 is common record, but 40 is not a common record. So inner join will send only common records to the output. Okay, like we saw here. There is no 40. Okay, if I do a left outer join, so it will return all the records from left table. This is my left table. So how many records in left table? So 14 records. So 14 records will come to output. So 40, you cannot expect record number 40. Because it's not matching and it's not in the left table. Okay, let's do left outer join. So everything is same, only the here instead of inner join you say left outer join. That's it. Instead of inner you would say left outer. Okay. Instead of inner join you will simply say left outer join. That's it. Output is same here in this case for this data. Whether you do inner join or left outer join, output is same. Okay, now let's do right outer join. If you do right outer join, how many records I will get to output? So right outer join will send all the records from right table.
Records.
How many records?
4 records.
No, it will be 15 records because it's a duplicate record. 20 is repeated multiple times. 20, this 20 is going to match between this 20, this 20, this 20, this 20, and this 20. Okay. So 10, see, 10 will be repeated 3 times, 20 will be repeated 5 times, 30 will be repeated 6 times, so total 14. But 40 is not matching with any of the records. Still, it will come to the output, but it will have a nulls for other columns. Okay. Join will support duplicate records. Okay. So it doesn't matter. So let's do same thing. So same syntax would be same. Instead of left outer join, you will say right outer join. That's it, right outer. You just have to put right. So here you see department number 40 is also coming. It is a Boston, right? So department number 40 is nothing but, let's go to base table and check. Okay, department number 40 is operations and Boston. Okay. So here you see D name. I didn't take a D name here. I'll take a D dot D DEPT number. comma, D dot D name, then D dot location. I will take all the columns from department table. Remaining will keep same. Okay, so basically, yeah, if you see here, what happened here? Come on, that's one. Okay. Okay, you see here, for the record number 40, only details are coming from right table. It's not matching with the left table. There is no employee in the department number 40. So that's why it is showing nulls. It is a nulls. There are no values in the employee table for department number 40. So this is what the meaning of right outer join. Okay. So full outer join, another one is a full outer join. Full outer join means, I will give more examples, don't worry. So full outer join is going to return all the rows from both the tables. So how many records we will get to output if I do full outer join? How many?
15.
Yeah, 15. Okay. So all the records, right? So 10 is matching, 20 is matching, and 30 is matching. Only 40 is not matching here. Okay. E dot star comma D dot star MPE full outer join. So syntax would be same, right? So basically you need to full. You just have to put full outer join DEPT D on E dot DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. Okay. So same. So basically 15 records will come. So 10, 20, 30 are matching with all the rows in a left table. So 14 records for there. Okay. So unmatched record is a 40. So full outer join means full set of records from both the tables, employee table and department table. Okay. 14 records are a match and one record is unmatched. So 14 plus 1, 15 records will come to output. Okay. So let's take the some other examples. Okay. Instead of doing with this 10s, 20s and 30s, let me take some other example here. Okay. So my left table is having, for example, my left table is having this kind of data. 1, 2, 3. My right table is having um, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. If I do inner join, what is the output? If I do inner join, how many records I will get out to output? What are the common records between both the tables?
2, 3.
2 and 3, right? So
Yeah.
simple. Yeah. If I do left outer join, what is the output? How many records I will get to output?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Right. If I do right outer join,
2, 3, 4.
full outer join,
1, 2, 3, 4.
right. That's it, right? So if you do left outer join, 1, 2, 3, because all the records from left table, regardless of right table. So right outer join all the records from right table. So which is a 2, 3, 4. If
Mm-hmm.
you do full outer join, it will try to match between both the tables. 1, 2, 3 is matching, 1 and 4 is not matching. So 1 and 4 also will come to output. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So
Yeah.
inner join will be 2 and 3. Left will be 1, 2 and 3. Right will be 2, 3 and 4. Full will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, this is a kind of logical thinking. This is what you need to do. Okay, let me change it now. Let me change the okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 here and I put 5. Okay, so what is the inner join now? If I do inner join, how many records I will get to inner join?
7 records.
For inner join, 7 records. Okay, what is the numbers? What is
That
the output?
it's 1 1 2 2 3 3
1, 1, 2, 2.
3
Okay,
3 and 4.
3, 3, and 4. Okay, join will allow. Yeah, this is correct answer. Okay, so join will allow duplicates. So okay, so if I keep it like this, how many records now?
Still 7 only because it's 1 1, right? Already 1 1 is repeating, right?
Another 2 ones will increase. Okay, one see 2 records into 2 records. 2 into 2 equal to 4 records should come to output.
Okay.
Cross join will happen. We call it as a cross join. Okay. So in this case, see every row. Okay, one is going to match with this row. Match it. Okay. So let's see how join works. Okay. So this first one from the first table will try to match with the first row in second table. So is it matching or not? It is matching, right? So this value will try to match with the second value. Is it matching? Yes, matching. So the same value will try to match again with this row, this row, this row, and nothing is matching. Okay, fine. Let's take the second row from first table. This one will try to match with this, and all the rows. Every row will try to match with every row in the second table. So two times only it is matching. So two. Two is matching. How many times two is matching? Two times. Two and two. So 3 is matching. Yeah, 2 times. 3 and 3. 4. 4 is not matching. No, it is matching. Okay, so it will be 4. That's how the join works. So similarly, somebody tell me for right outer join. So what is the output for right outer join? Okay, this is my input. I want right outer join. It's a very important concept, join. Okay, not just designing a job. Designing job is very simple, but understanding this kind of data is very important. So what is the right outer join?
1 1 2 2 3 3
One second. One. How many ones? One, one,
4 ones,
4 ones. Okay. Next. Okay.
2 twos,
Okay.
2 threes,
Okay.
1 4,
Okay.
and 1 5.
That's it. Right. So all the records from here will go. But here one is matching two times. It's a duplicate. Two into how many twos? Two ones. Matching with how many two ones? Two ones. Two into two, four records will be there in output, which is a cross join. Just remember the concept of cross join. Okay.
Mhm.
This is good, yeah. So if you do full outer join, what is the output?
Will be same as right?
Same as, yeah, basically same as right. Yeah.
Mm.
If I keep 6, 6 also will come. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, let me try to give some data maybe. Yeah. B. See, it will be same thing. Okay. So it's a kind of one of the interview question generally people ask. Okay. Let me put it in alphabets. Okay. So if I do inner join, how many records for this? So how many A's will come for inner join?
6.
Okay. 3 into 2. 3 A's into 2 A's will be 6 A's because this one will try to match with every row. 3 times it will match. A. Second A will try to match with every row in the second table. So it will be matching 3 times. So similarly, B will match 2 times. Okay. And then inner join, that's it. Only common records between both tables. Okay. So you have any doubts here in the joins? Okay, now you can share Sweden. Let's design a data set Java. I will guide you. I think my
Okay.
PC will take a little time. So if you have any doubts in theory part, please ask me. Because this is very important, joins. So ETL is used for joins mostly. We are going to join data between multiple tables, multiple sources, okay, and combine into one particular one table for the reporting purpose. That's what mostly we do. Transformations, that is okay, but this is a first thing we do. Bring the data from multiple sources into data stage and join together and create a one standard file. Okay. Uh, do not update the virtual machine. Just remind me later. So that one. Yeah. Let's take the two Oracle connectors, one for employee and one for department, and there is a stage called join. In the processing, you see join stage. Take the join stage and have an output file, either sequential file or dataset, whichever you like.
I don't have the import for department.
Okay, yeah, you can import the metadata. So import table definition and then plug in, yeah, Oracle, right? So go back one step and select only tables. Okay, you found it. Yeah, fine. Then it's fine. It's fine. You find it.
Import?
Yeah, just import it. Yeah.
Um, ah, hmm.
Okay, you created parameter set. Good, yeah. At least you're practicing. Can you show me the parameter set? View parameter set. What are the values you have in there? So server, user, password, the output, input. Yeah, good. Yeah. Just try to use underscores in between. Generally, you see underscores in real time. Okay.
Okay.
Put an
Okay.
underscore, DS underscore like that. Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay.
So yeah, link is not attached to the join. That's why you see red color. Attach it to the join first. Cancel it.
Then,
So you see red
uh,
color. It's not attached. Okay, move the join to the left side. So automatically it will attach. No, no, you don't need to delete. No, press no. Move the join stage to the left side. That's it.
okay.
See? Okay. So now
Mm.
rename the links. So right click on DS link 5 and rename it as EMP, link underscore EMP. LNK underscore EMP. Yeah, something like that. That will be easier to identify which one is which. Can you zoom little bit? There is a zoom plus option over there, so everyone can see clearly. On the top, you see plus and minus.
This one, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's good now. So yeah, link underscore DEPT. Good. Yeah. So now open a connector suddenly. Yes, yeah, please see. If you are practicing, it's the same stuff, right? So she's importing, she's uploading the, I mean, she's loading the metadata from repository. We already imported and stored it the other day. Now we are just using it, yeah. So similarly, she did import the metadata for department table and she's using it here. Make sure you guys should practice like this, right? So she created a parameter set. I think she's following, practicing every day. While you are watching, you feel it's a very easy. But while you are practicing only, you'll get to know.
Then go to the join.
Yeah, let's take any join. So go to, yeah, open join, go to link ordering, fourth tab. So keep employee table as a left table. So select on the employee and just scroll up. Select on it and then arrow, just move it up. Okay. Make sure keep your employee table as a left table in this example. Okay. Now go back to properties tab. Okay, so what is the key? So it is nothing. So join is simpler. Doing join is simpler in data stage. So key column. What is the common key column? Click on a key and try to drop down. It will show only common key column, which is a department table, department number. So what type of join? Click on join type and scroll down and see what are the types it is showing. Inner join, left outer join, left full and right outer, right? Just try inner join first. And then try left, try right, and then try full. Okay, let's try inner first. Yeah, and map the columns to.
Compile it.
So give your yeah, compile and run and see the output for each and every join. Yeah, let's simulate for every join. Okay, 14 records. So that is expected. Now let's do right outer join. Okay,
Okay.
left outer join also will get you'll get same output. So right outer join should be having 15 records, right? Yes. Let's
Yeah.
try that. Oh, I think we lost connection. Okay, yeah, you need to close and reopen the data stage.
Oh.
Close the job first. Close the job first.
Oh.
Okay, you close directly. So your job will be locked out if you do that.
Oh. I haven't supporting failed to complete.
Close it once. Close this.
Mm-hmm.
Press OK. Close, close this and close the jump first. Close the complete data stage. Okay, relog in again. Just try to compile and see. You're still getting that message, no? Okay. I think you need to restart the virtual machine. Okay. You
Okay.
haven't restarted for a long time. You're just resuming it, right? If it,
Yeah. Yeah.
so you need to restart it. Then only
Okay.
it will. Okay. So yeah, if you do right outer join, so it will come up. It will throw an error. Okay. When you change it, close it. Just close the error. This error. Uh, Open a join stage. When you change it to right outer join. So if you go to output columns, okay, maximize it. So mapping, if you expand the mapping to the bottom on the right side, see. So previously department number was taken from employee table. Now for the right outer join, all the columns will be taken from right table. So you need to map department number from what is your right table? Department table is your
Department.
right. So you need to map the department number column from department table from left side. That's the one you have to remember. Okay. So scroll down, expand it. Okay. So here you need to pass the link underscore dept dot department number to the right side. Yes, that's it. Okay. Yeah, press OK. And try to do full outer join. See what happens. stage properties. Yeah. So if you do full outer join, so it is going to create a two records. Yeah. Now go to mapping and observe. Yeah. You see, department number is showing from both sides, left and right. So you need to take both to output. See, link EMP. Left one is EMP, right one is DEPT. Okay. Just pass it to the right side and run and see. You will find what are the differences. Okay.
I think it will give me the same error, right? If I run.
Yeah. Same error, but I'm just showing the concept. Yeah, it will give
Okay.
you throw you error.
Mm.
Definitely. Yeah. So yeah, that's what that is about join. So it's very important. So tomorrow we will go ahead with the merge and lookup. Okay. There also support, but here, okay, this is fine. So when you are doing a left out inner join, you are not getting any unmatched data. So I need unmatched data. While I'm doing join, if there is a match, that is okay. What if there is an unmatch? I need to capture all the unmatched records. Okay, for unmatched records, join doesn't support any reject links. So we will have to go for other stages, like we have a merge and lookup. Okay, so if you go to processing tab, Sweta, so okay, so you see merge and lookup, join, lookup, and merge. So
Yeah.
merge stage will give us the unmatched record from child table or right table. Lookup will give us unmatched record from uh, main table, left table. So, and we are going to see merge and lookup tomorrow, and I will talk about partitioning techniques, how we will apply partitioning techniques for join, lookup. Okay, that's very important. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, I think this is it. Just uh, try to understand the concept and try to practice the join today. So that would be easy for the next two classes. Okay, merge and lookup. Otherwise, you will be just circling around the join only. Okay, it's mainly understand the concept only, right? So designing job everyone can do. Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, yeah. Let's. I will share the recording once it's ready in my cloud. Okay. So yeah, let's practice this for today. Should be good.
And how do I restart it? So I go here and restart. Shut down.
Close all the applications and restart. Close data stage.